کریے گا
پلیز.
سر پلیز بچے ساتھ ساتھ اوکے تھینک یو.
I firmly believe that effective communication in English is crucial for success in today's globalized world. English is not just a language, but a gateway to a kingdom of opportunities. It presents a diverse range of possibilities for personal and professional growth, promotes cultural understanding, and creates opportunities for global collaboration.
New things to work upon. After undergoing on a detailed discussion with the stakeholders, with the meetings and the talks with the stakeholders, and with the great support, cooperation and guidance of Dr. Muhammad Iqbal, we have been able to launch this program, which is really wonderful gift for Kaamis VEHARI.
Across Pakistan, where we are hosting English Works programs, and almost 2,000 students throughout Pakistan are having the same opportunity that you are. Our goal require partnership and hard work together. So first, I want to thank our implementing partner, Kaamis, for being such a great partner and for and helping us get this project to such a success. I want to particularly thank the director, Dr. Farouk. Thank you so much. Your leadership really has made this a lot. Pleasure to be here in VEHARI and to witness all that has gone on before me. Really, just to see the skits, the dancing, and the culture here in Punjab. It's truly, I couldn't ask for a better welcome. So thank you very much for that. It is a great pleasure for me to be here for the opening ceremony of this English Works program here in VEHARI and at Kaamis.